So those vintage great cabinets, speakers, Wolverine. Not sure if it's original woofers or not, probably not. It sounds great. Let's see how they sound.
Just like everything else, those old days of dreams just kinda came and went out. Even looking closer, see roses really smell like yeah, roses really smell.
Most of us have understood the fact that if we've lived in it for 2 of the last 5 years and we haven't used the exclusion in the last 24 months,
experiencia llena de luces y magia. Niños menores de 12 años gratis con adulto pagado.
Damas, jóvenes y personas.
And that's just the first episode. Let's do it!
Roswell, New Mexico premieres Tuesday, January 15th at 9 p.m. on the CW Las Vegas, Channel 33.
Let you down, would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I said I am better now.
Without the ability to look at disparate impact,
Sound nice. Thank you for looking. Good luck.